Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system, and now on the third position we've got the backup option, so let's tap. As you can see now it is turned off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. And now we can add a Google Backup account, so let's tap on it. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. I've got it saved, so it's easier for me. Now let's click on Next. Here we've got to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and now simply tap on Next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, simply tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so let's click on Accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so your device will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So if you're ready, click on OK. And as you can see, our account is immediately added, and from now on your device will back up all the content on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.